Morning everyone, how are you? Student, today we are going to start proof of theorem 6.6 and here the statement is we have given the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Means we are having triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar and we have to prove that ratios of their areas, that is area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Means AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, AC by PR whole square. This we have to prove. So for that we have to make the construction, that is draw AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. This construction we have to make here. Now let us start the proof of this theorem. First of all, take the areas. Take this side, you have to find out here. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So what is the area of this here? BC is the base and AD is the perpendicular. It will be half into base, that is BC, into perpendicular, it is AD, upon half into PQR. What is base here? It is QR, into height, it is PS. So these two are cancelled out. So from here you are getting area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. It is equal to what? It is BC by QR into AD by PS. So this is your equation number 1. Now take two small triangles, that is in triangle ADB and second triangle you are having PSQ. So take the corresponding parts here. So in these two triangles we are having angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why it is so? Because each 90, and second thing angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because corresponding angles of similar triangle. So we write the same, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because each 90, and second angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because corresponding angles of similar triangle. So therefore which rule is this? Angle. So therefore by angle similarity rule, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ. These two triangles are similar, and if triangles are similar then their corresponding sides will be in proportion. So this implies take their corresponding side, means it is AB by PQ is equal to what? BD by QS is equal to third one AD by PS. And why it is so? Because corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. So that's why these sides will be in proportion. Now take the bigger triangle. We are having as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This thing is given. You take this equation as 2. This is equation number 2. As these two triangles are already similar, so their corresponding sides will be in proportion. So therefore from here we can write AD by PQ is equal to what? BC by QR is equal to what? AC by PR. This is equation number 3. And same region is same as 2. So what region we have write in equation 2? Same region we will apply here. Now you have to equate equation 2 and equation 3. So let us rub it. Here we have to equate these two equations. We write the same. From equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3. We can just equate them from 2 and 3. We can write AD by PS is equal to what? It is BC by QR. BC by Q. Now put this value in equation number 1. So therefore from here equation 1 will become, therefore equation 1 becomes what? So equation 1 can be written as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to what? Make them same. So if you make them same, then they will be what? BC by QR into, in place of this again we write BC by QR, and this will be equal to what? It is BC by QR whole square. But this BC by QR is equal to what? It is equal to what? It is, see, suppose this is equation 3. Now from using equation 3 here, this BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ and AC by PR. So here you can use, suppose this is equation number 4. We write now from equation this 3 and 4. You use these two equations and directly we can write our result from here, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to what? AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Hence 2. So this is the proof of this theorem. So this is for the day. Thank you.